Check this guy out. He is huge. Pretty tight. You'll find a lot of these on the sand. Most of them are always buried. Some of them you'll just be able to see the shiny reflectiveness that they have, and some you'll be able to see the red tint of their shell against the black sands. Check it out. There is some beach glass coop. I've actually never seen beach glass on this beach before, so that's pretty cool. Alright, but I wasted enough time, and Christian's probably waiting for me at the car.